Hello everyone. Today we will introduce you to the way we design an antique dress. Boat. This hand is missing 7 inches. This is a back, but the shirt will be slightly dipped here and this dress will be. It's a long way, but I just gave this guide. Come here when you are lucky. I'll stretch down to the bottom. So now we're going to start with the design. Well, first of all, to build a horizontal line. This way, let me do it. Let me draw a line for the part. On top of that, you take it as a shoulder. Is by shoulder divided by 2. Here, my sample is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. So from out here, well, you measure 16 on a line. Then down to 4. And then the next thing you're going to measure out here is the ring. Ancient is equal to ancient divided 30 year. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. On the second point, you connect score 2 with this score 4. Then the lower chest. Then you take this shirt color with your chest. Divide by for sisters, breasts divided by 5. You add up to 1.5. So the bust size here is equal to 80 divided by 5 plus 1.5 is equal to 17.5. Let's start from this road. Take it down. One way this is 17.5. When you're watching this video clip, remember to give me a like to interact with the channel. Thank you. And then let's take the chest cross, which is equal to the chest, divide by 4. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. And then I'm going to go through this segment and it's to 2. You put it perpendicular down here. I'm also going back to inches and split it in half. Let's split it in half again. And then we'll draw the armpit of the upper body. But this model is from this hand part. You will come out more. This is 4 petrol per year. From this head and shoulders, they added 5 millimeters of gasoline. I get a point. But what? I'll give you a little more gas. Diameter on high. Let's connect this part. And in this corner, you're adjusting. It becomes a perpendicular line from right angles. Then we're going to go round. Go round here. Then we get to the armpit. The armpit's the body of the shirt. Then I'll do it again for the waist. Then you'll lower your waist here by 35. It depends on your body height. Yeah, and I'll measure the lower waist. I measured this number directly on the body. Then you will be at your waist. Divide by 4 and let's add 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. The road is 18. From this, like this model, I won't have to press the waist. Now to the dress. So from down here, you measure down a section that's 18. Okay. This 18 is for people from 1 meter tall. 55 up to 1 meter 6. 19 for tall people from 1 meter 6 to 1 meter 6'5". For 20, I will give the 1 meter 65. If you go up, you will get 20. Then the paragraph. It will depend on this height. Then I'll take the ass. Is equal to the ass divided by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. And then we'll connect the waist. Chest line. I'm connected through the waist. You're going through this ass line. This dress is because, sitting model. I don't know if it's a shape or a shape. If you take it out. This box is for you. What I'm doing here is 33, and if the shape, from here, you can put it right down. The base area starts at the hip. If it's the shape, you take the square root from the butt. If you have a shape, open it. And around this corner, you're up here. Let me have gas. Okay. Then I looked again at the model. And now to the collar. This collar is only about 1.5 inches back. The back of the neck is dry. There are only 6 deep in this neck. And here you are connected. Well, we'll be able to draw the necklace here. Okay, with this shirt, as you can see, people will pull the waist. But this is my correct position. Is right at the waist position. Then you withdraw. Here we will create a in the right position. This little point also covers my belly. A little bit. If you can do this, you will. Let's start with the waist. That's 10 inches. There are a lot of people here, ladies. I'll connect this road. When you cut it, you will cut it. At the top, you will get your money. Let's go to the waist. And this waist is going to fit the body, so you will reduce. This is to gasoline here. I added to gasoline here. Let me draw on the side. But this shirt has a hole in the waist, but the body behind it will be. So I'm going to keep this part for the body. Then you look here. If you don't know how to sew this pattern, I need a guide. Please comment below as a guide. Garment dress. 10 comments. I will guide you to cut directly. Cloth ha. And then before that I moved on to body painting. Then you note, with these chest measurements, here's the necklace across the shoulder, or waist or butt. What if, ladies? There are other numbers. You will replace this number. For example, the chest here is 80, so I use the number 80. If you have a 100, you guys instead. 100, you can replace it. And the horizontal your shoulders example, are not but 2, but 6. You can replace this number but 2. It's the same as the necklace you replaced with 30. Your waistline, for example, if you want to change the number 80 here, you can change the number 100 in here. Then it will converge enough for all the models A. According to the size SL, M, XL. And now I'm done with this. Now I'm going to cut the part. The body behind me designed from this shoulder, you push up, give me 2 inches. Push it up 2 inches and here we're going to bend. Come out here, give me 2 parts. And this hand, you go in, particularly the waist. It will not have a soft drink. So you cut to this position. Then you drop in here by 1 inch. And you go, follow the outer waist and wheel. I'll draw the waist here. And the dress at the bottom, you will do the same as. Oh, that was before. If I like a dress, I go straight. And the dress, we go out. And now I'm going to cut Arabic. You're going to cut the back. It follows the red line and this Arabic line is unsewn. If you are lucky, you have to leave the seams. Then I cut the armpit. This is the shirt. Oh, this shirt. General like this. I cut it first now. I'll be back later, ladies. I cut along the big road. after you cut the road. When we grow, we will cut it out. The hybrid part. This is the part of my body. Cut together. Now, after I finish doing the body part, the two bodies are cut off, so I will connect this road. I connected this road. Connect here. Then I'll get the body that I left. Body after. Then girls get it back. Give me the waistline. I took back the waistline here, I'll cut off the part, body later. Then cut out the rest. This shirt is definitely one thing, zipper at the back, so I'm going to reduce it to 3 glasses here by 1.5 inches. This is 1.5, this is 0.3, and then I'm going to divide the segment into 2 equal parts. Then we'll draw a straight line down. This straight line. It's going to cut this cross. This is 4 inches. 4 inches of it will head over here, and this one goes down 16 to 18. I'll draw the vertical part. You'll be able to draw the vertical here. I will cut this road off. This will be the back. Body after. I think it's because of the zipper in the back. So I'll cut it into 2. And I finished the back of my shirt. Now let's adjust the body first. The body before and after. Let me draw the body later. Now cut the leftovers. On this previous Arabic body. Then you cut this way. This road stays the same. I take the outer road, and the reason by, in this case, it will have a withdraw dip. So this part of the waist I have to get a degree, That's the same as the waist without adding to inches. And this way I'll cut it off. It's cut apart like this. When you cut it, the corner, you will be able to pull it back. I may retract for the waist on the body. It will get the body. And above it is shutters. I put it here so I can see it easily. So this is it. I look back for the body. You see, If you look at the Arabic model, you can't imagine how to be lucky. I want to guide you. I'll comment to find out. So this is the Arabic part of me. I just finished sharing it with my sisters. Then now. I looked again. This is the front. If you don't withdraw the seed, then you can open this up and cut it. When you cut on the cloth, you can cut these to pieces apart. But it's because I'm a model. So I put it in here for you to see. And this body is the back. That's my whole Arabic part. I wish you success. Thank you and welcome. See you later.